afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question, question number 96. And to answer this question, we have this instruction to follow, which says fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options. And this instruction is to enable us to answer questions from 71 to 100. And in question number 96, this statement here say the first rule of dash, and we have answered that. We say the first rule of hygiene should be strictly adhered to. Always keep your living habitat clean and devoid of stagnant dash. Option A say air, B say fluid, C say liquid, D say vapor, E say water. We can't, you say air is an abstract noun, we know that, so air cannot be. Then fluid is a concrete noun, but we are not, the fluid cannot actually cause mosquito in an environment, so fluid can. Then liquid is also a concrete noun, we can touch liquid, we can see it, but it's a flowing one, or particularly maybe liquid of water and so. But vapor also is not stagnant. Vapor cannot be stagnant, but stagnant water causes mosquito or allows mosquito to penetrate. So the first rule of hygiene should be strictly addressed to. Always keep your living habitat clean and devoid of stagnant water. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.